Welcome to our video on the best camping stoves. If you're an avid camper or hiker, you know how important it is to have a reliable stove to cook your meals in the great outdoors. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the top camping stoves available today, including their features, pros, and cons, to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a solo backpacker or heading out on a family camping trip, we've got you covered. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the best camping stoves of the year. Number 1. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove is a lightweight and compact stove that is perfect for hikers, campers, and backpackers who are looking for a reliable cooking solution that won't weigh them down. The stove weighs just 2.6 ounces and can fit easily into a backpack, making it ideal for those who want to travel light. Many reviewers praise the stove's easy-to-use design, which allows for quick and efficient setup and operation. The stove can boil a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, making it a fast and efficient cooking solution for outdoor adventurers who want to spend less time cooking and more time exploring. Additionally, the stove is highly durable and can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Many reviewers note that the stove is built to last and can withstand a lot of wear and tear, making it a great investment for those who want a reliable and long-lasting camping stove. Overall, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove is highly recommended for those who want a lightweight, compact, and reliable stove for their outdoor adventures. With its easy-to-use design, fast heating times, and durable construction, this stove is a great choice for hikers, campers, and backpackers of all skill levels. Number 2. Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove cooking system is an exceptional product for any outdoor enthusiast. This cooking system is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport on camping or backpacking trips. The adjustable heat control is a great feature, allowing you to easily control the temperature of your cooking, whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking a full meal. The simmer control is also impressive, giving you the ability to cook delicate foods like eggs and pancakes without burning them. The MiniMo also features a push-button ignition system, making it incredibly easy to start up and get cooking. The cooking pot has a convenient handle that folds down for easy packing, and the lid doubles as a strainer. The cooking pot also has a measuring cup built into the side, which is a useful feature for measuring out ingredients. Overall, the Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove cooking system is an excellent investment for any outdoor adventurer. It's durable, reliable, and easy to use, making it an essential addition to any camping or backpacking trip. Number 3. Jetboil MightyMo Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil MightyMo Ultralight and Compact Camping and Backpacking Stove is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient stove for their outdoor adventures. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for backpacking trips where space and weight are at a premium. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with a powerful burner that can boil water in just a few minutes. The precision control valve allows for easy adjustment of the flame, making it suitable for everything from simmering to rapid boiling. The MightyMo is also easy to set up and use, with a sturdy base and easy-to-attach fuel canister system. It's also impressively durable and able to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, thanks to its high-quality construction and materials. The stove also comes with a handy carry bag, making it easy to pack up and transport. Overall, the Jetboil MightyMo Ultralight and Compact Camping and Backpacking Stove is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and lightweight stove for their outdoor adventures. Number 4. Jetboil Stash Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil Stash Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove cooking system is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality cooking system that is both lightweight and efficient. This stove is incredibly easy to use, and its compact design makes it ideal for backpacking and camping trips. One of the standout features of the Jetboil Stash is its fast boiling time. The stove is designed to quickly heat up water, and it can boil 0.5 liters of water in just 2.5 minutes. Additionally, the stove is incredibly fuel efficient, which means you won't need to carry as much fuel with you on your trips. The stash is also very lightweight, coming in at just over 7 ounces. This makes it easy to pack and carry with you on your adventures. The stove also comes with a convenient storage bag, which makes it even easier to pack and transport. Overall, the Jetboil Stash Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System is an excellent investment for anyone who wants a lightweight, efficient and easy-to-use cooking system for their camping or backpacking trips. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or just getting started, this stove is sure to impress. Number 5. Optimus Crux Lite Solo Ultralight Camping Stove. The Optimus Crux Lite Solo Cook System is a highly versatile and compact addition to any ultralight camping and backpacking kit. The 0.6L pot is perfect for solo trips, and the non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup. The burner, fuel canister stand, and pot are all designed to work together seamlessly, making it simple to cook meals on the trail. One of the standout features of this cook system is its versatility. The pot can be used with other camping cookware if needed, and the flame control allows for precise temperature adjustments. The piezo igniter is also a convenient addition, making it easy to light the burner without matches or lighter. Overall, the Optimus Crux Lite Solo Cook System is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight and efficient cooking solution for backpacking or camping. It's durable, easy to use, and highly functional, making it a top pick for outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.